Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I made chicken wraps, so I'm going to give you a breakdown on how I arrived here. So first start in making our chicken wrap is for us to marinate our chicken. So for your chicken, you're going to cut it into strips like this. Go in with your onion paste, with 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So for your garlic powder, I'll be using 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Your chili powder, then some salt to taste. When you're done with that, it's for you to mix it up. So you can decide to add a little seasoning if you want. Mix it up, then set aside for about 1 hour. Allow it to marinate properly. After marinating your chicken, set it aside. Then in a pan, place a little vegetable oil on it. Then add in your marinated chicken and fry for about 10 to 15 minutes or till it's ready. When your chicken is ready, this is going to be the outcome of it. So we'll go in to make our chicken wrap. So I'll be using this tortilla wrap for our chicken wrap. In here is our mayonnaise. So this is half cup of mayonnaise, yogurt, sweet chili sauce. So I'll be using 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. So going with 2 tablespoons of honey, going with 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You're going to give that a good mix. So go in with your sauce, chicken, add in your tomato, some onions, but the onions is not compulsory, it's optional. Some lettuce leaf, add extra sauce on top of it like this. Then you're going to fold. While folding, please be careful because this tortilla wrap easily gets torn, so it's very soft. So you just need to be careful. Just need to fold like this, gently, like this. Then you're good. When you're done wrapping your chicken wrap, you're going to grizzle a little vegetable oil in a pan of heat. Place your chicken wrap on heat. The reason why we are doing this is for it to seal properly and for the chicken wrap to get heated as well. So if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to Celia's Food anymore. So as my old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch. Please share this video, like and comment.